Hello and welcome. With it being 27 days into the new year, I hope everyone is having a wonderful new year so far. I know I am, because this is my first long form acrylic pour painting of 2026. So I'm really excited about this painting and I'm excited for the new year. I do want to announce that I am going to be posting a video every day this week. I'm just going to be doing something fun and creative per usual, but I am going to try to be more consistent and develop a consistent long form posting schedule. I'm a little bit more active in short form, not as consistent, but just a little more active, and I want to be as active in long form as well. I have so many ideas, so many color combinations that I want to use. So just expect a video from me every day this week, and you will see the dry results in the next day's video. But for today, I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. All of these colors are inspired by winter. Here in Ohio, there was a mini snowstorm, but it really wasn't nothing that Ohio hasn't experienced before, and we were sort of snowed in yesterday, so these colors are inspired by the snowstorm that we had and is still recovering from today. And I am going to just puff them out with the air puffer tool. Then I'll add some crushed glass and some glitter at the end. Please stay tuned to see what that looks like. I also did a close-up. Oh, the results are stunning, and I cannot wait to see what this one looks like dry. But I am done talking for now. I will let you enjoy this acrylic painting, and I will talk to you again during the wet result. Here it is. So just bear with me with the flash because I wanted to show all of the shimmer and shine that this painting has to offer. It definitely exceeded my expectations. I wish I could have kept the composition that I had once I puffed out the center, silver and metallic white, but once I stretched it out, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with the crushed glass and the glitter. And I wanted to create more movement throughout the composition. That's why I just sort of followed the organic flow of the painting and then added the crushed glass accordingly and put the glitter on top. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. I love the split base. Idea that I came up with right before I started to pour. So I can't wait to see how this dries. It's okay, I was a little heavy-handed with the glitter because once it dries, all of the excess will fall off. So I just shake them really hard and it'll come right off. But I'll show that process in tomorrow's video. Once this dries, it should be dry tomorrow for sure. So thank you all for being here. I really do appreciate everyone's support, and come back tomorrow to see the dry results. Thank you for watching.